finally came. So I ordered my skates from Inline Warehouse. It took about 5 days ago. It was holiday, July 4th, so, oh my gosh. Oh, man, I've been waiting on you for so long. Yes, sir. Got the Twister XT Women. 10.5 10. $322. And I can't even skate. I'm a beginner. Well, okay. I don't know what to call myself. I'm a beginner. I don't know what the fuck I'm so excited. Ready to open. Laces, the insoles, more laces, brake. I didn't know it came with a brake. Manual, tools. Here goes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Have these been worn? I'll be damned if these been worn. What? These are beautiful. Look at these. Rollerblade. You outdid yourself. My first rollerblades in like 20 years. Let's go! Twister! I'm so excited. I haven't skated since I was like middle school, elementary. And the last time I mean like on the regular, but like for like parties, you know, I'll go to skating rinks and, you know, rent the rollerblades, and you know, the rentals aren't the best, but oh my god, these are so beautiful. I hope I can fit them. I wear a men's 9, women's 10.5, so these should fit. I'm so excited. Okay, right off the back, I'm rolling backwards. Let's go. Right box move. So I feel super comfortable with these skates on. Week prior to this, I had been roller skating, which made me want to get back into inline skating. So inlines feel way better than roller skates. I feel it's more balance and stability. I feel like, let's see, muscle memory from when I was a kid. Yeah, like it just comes back to you. I think I was a pretty good skater when I was a kid. Pretty decent. Let's see what I can do as an adult.